Hi, my name is Tom Stewart, and I'm CEO of Castle Keepers House Cleaning. I want to take a couple minutes today to tell you a little bit about the software we use to run Castle Keepers. I guess it starts back 20 some odd years ago when we started Castle Keepers, and at the time there really wasn't any software out there to run a house cleaning business. So we just started building our own. It was pretty simple at the time, but it allowed us to do some basic scheduling and some payroll activity. Over the years, we kept refining it and building it and making it better. And about a half a dozen years ago, we decided that we wanted to put it up in the cloud and do it in a way that would allow us to run multiple branches from one location. And we did that. And we used that software to run Greenville and Atlanta and Portland and Dayton and here in Charleston. And you guys are familiar with a fair amount of the software. This is a mock-up company we have in the software, and when you log in every day, you see this. You're familiar with clocking in out of the day, out of the jobs. You can click and see your work instruction information. We don't have the buttons here that you clock in and out of because this is a demo, but you're familiar with that. There's a whole lot more that goes on with the software as well, though, that you everybody may or may not be familiar with. And you give me a second, I might show it to you. Here we go. Um, when you log into Castle Keepers in production, the folks that are doing the scheduling and dispatching and the bookkeeping and all that has a lot of different views within Castle Keepers. Here's a view here that we use to do sales for all of the branches, and you can kind of see these are like open tickets, which are things that we need to do, and this is like for all of the branches, and we do these things for all of the branches in one place, sitting in front of one screen. Um, we're able to monitor what goes on with our cleaning teams. And this is at the end of the day, so all of these jobs are complete, but the green bar shows when the job was scheduled to be done, and the gray bar shows the actual times that the job was done. So um, a lot of things are happening when we use the software in the day. We clock in and out for the day, and we're clocking in and out of the jobs. That's what gives us these start and stop times. So that helps us make sure that we're on schedule, and if we're behind schedule, it gives us an opportunity to tell our clients that there's a schedule change and we might need to make an adjustment, or if anybody needs help. So um, there's a whole lot of stuff happening throughout the day based on how everybody uses the software. The same punch in and out information is used to do our payroll. It is used to figure out if our jobs are priced correctly, if we're scheduling well. There's a ton of stuff happening just by us punching in and out of the job. So it's really important that we do that right. We do it when we're supposed to do it, and we keep that data clean every day. Um, I guess something else about the software that we everybody might not know is that we license this software to other cleaning businesses. We've got cleaning companies all over the country that use the software that we developed here for running Castle Keepers. All of these are some companies that in other parts of the country that use the software that you guys have basically helped us develop, because over the 20 some odd years that we've been building this software, really what makes this work is being in the cleaning business every day and learning every day and getting the feedback from the people that are you know the teams that are cleaning the homes, and the people that are doing the scheduling and all the other activities, being able to hear what's happening and figure out how can we make everybody's job better and be more effective. So we should really feel good about that. And this software, and with your help of making it better moving forward, is how we're going to continue to grow and create more opportunities and make this a better place for all of our stakeholders. So, I hope having this little bit of insight here will prove to be helpful to you. And appreciate you taking the time listening. And stay tuned. We'll share a little bit more down the road.